Howdy folks, I'm going to do a video today on how to light anthracite coal. Basically all you need is some sort of tinder to start your fire like this, and several sticks of dry wood about this size. Smaller will work. Basically all you need to do is wad this stuff up into a ball. I usually use about 3 sheets, but I start bituminous coal a whole lot more, because ever since I got some of that, I put the anthracite away, but I still have it out. I usually use about that much. That's all it takes. And then several sticks of wood. And all you'll do is you'll light this hangy down part and stick it down in your fire pot, and then put your sticks over top of it. Now I've already got a fire lit that is burning down into charcoal, and I will show you how I get the anthracite coal out. As you can see, it's already burned down into some charcoal. It didn't take very long. I lit this fire probably 2-3 minutes ago, before the video started anyway. That's all you need. Now I'll set the camera down. Oh no, he smothered it. No, I didn't. It's still smoldering down there. And all you have to do is turn on your air. Get the coal over in there a little bit, break it up around your fire, make sure it's all in there, and now leave it the heck alone. The biggest problem I ever had was trying to stick my steel in before it was ready to forge. Now we wait 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes, sometimes 8, but that's all it takes. That'll get it burning, I promise you. Alright, as you can see, it's ready to heat. It's got a nice glow in the middle, and it's burning with flames. I'm going to attempt a fluxless forge weld with 2 pieces of mild steel. There we go. There it is. Just the ends of 2 pieces of welding rod. I know that flux didn't help. I don't think. I'd cleaned it off. But that's a forge weld. In anthracite coal, no flux. It's not something I do every day. It kind of burns dirty, especially after all that clinker's in there. But if you are using anthracite, good luck. You'll want an electric blower. Your hand crank will work if it's a big enough one, but it can be a pain. It'll go out on you sometimes. Good luck.